Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to close a PayPal business account. Before you start, make sure your account balance is zero and there are no pending transactions, disputes, or limitations. Once that's clear, log into your PayPal business account from a computer. In the top right corner, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Inside the Account Settings, look for the Account Options or Account Settings section. Scroll down until you see the option to close your account. PayPal will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently close your business account. Read the instructions carefully because once it's closed, you won't be able to reopen it with the same email. If everything looks good, click on Close Account, confirm your decision, and follow any final prompts. After that, your business account will be permanently closed and you'll receive a confirmation email from PayPal. And that's it. That's how you close a PayPal business account. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.